Welcome back to the real Dinosaur Zoo.
Beyond these gates lies a vast prehistoric world.
Preserved and protected from time itself.
Spinosaurus eggs require extremely stable humidity.
From frozen mountain ranges and dense jungle valleys to open river basins filled with life.
Every part of the park is home to creatures that once ruled the earth.
But deep within the wetlands beyond the trees lives one of the most unusual predators to ever walk the planet. Today we head further into the Spinosaurus Reserve than ever before.
Did you see that? It's huge!
Spinosaurus Day! Welcome to the park!
Oh, welcome back. Today, we're heading to the Spinosaurus Reserve.
One of the most unique predators in the park.
Today we're getting an exclusive look at their natural habitat.
Hope you don't mind the rain. The dinosaurs certainly don't.
This nursery outpost was built to mimic the natural river systems these animals evolved in.
Spinosaurus was one of the few dinosaurs truly adapted for life in the water. Spinosaurus eggs require extremely stable humidity.
Conditions very similar to the riverbanks where they once nested.
This one is just about ready to hatch.
The water levels here are carefully controlled to match seasonal flood cycles.
This enclosure was designed around a single animal, our alpha Spinosaurus.
Did you see that? It's huge! Oh.
You are currently viewing our dual apex predator reserves. Spinosaurus occupies the wetland basin to your left.
Tyrannosaurus rex is contained within the forest sector on the right.
Although these species lived millions of years apart, Spinosaurus filled a unique ecological niche.
While other large predators hunted on land,
This animal dominated river systems,